Got my boy Zane brought us this brand new Audi S6. We just finished installing the hardware. We got the APR downpipes and the AWE intake. Right now I'm tuning stage 2 software on it and also the TCU tune. This thing's about to have 200 extra horsepower and 200 extra torque.
We got Chris Rock over here doing the stereo system. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hey,
that's what I like to hear, alright.
We're doing the basic stuff, man.
Basic stuff, yeah, basic stuff. We just like to be basic, but very, very professional with our basic stuff. Very basic.
Our customer wanted to add radio and speakers into this cat front loader. So basically it had no headliner to support that. So what we did, we modified this pre-existing headliner. We added 4-inch JL audio speakers with a Pioneer single DIN head unit. And we used the ISO dash mount for up top, so it looks pretty clean up there. Now he's gonna have Bluetooth, listen to music while plowing, you know, moving dirt, moving stone. Even has hands-free calling. So he'll keep all his hands in the wheel and control. On this 2017 Ford F-150, we're adding strobe lights. It's a work truck, so the guy wants safety for himself and others. So we actually flush them out right here in the grill. Really nice setup. Got to synchronize all of them, and then we'll show you the final product.
Oh, didn't see you there. What's going on? Salutations. Got this little Wrangler right here trying to wait for this garage door to open. And I'll see you in there.
Oh, there's no key.
No, there's no key.
And it has a ring. Well, this has actually been my world record for world's fastest lift kit ever done. I'll catch you guys next time. Babe, you ready? I'm not gonna go until you say you're ready.
You already do this, bro?
Yeah. No.
You got this one in already? What? This side?
Yeah. Didn't you hear me? Come on down.
I'm getting old. All right, so we got Corey's Dodge Ram 2500. Really awesome build. We got the BDS 4.5-inch lift with the double fog shocks in the front. The thing drives amazing. Anyway, so he came to us, he wanted a fuel cell, toolbox, back rack, back LEDs, front LEDs, an air ride in the back, but not your average air ride. On this truck, basically, when you load up the big heavy trailer, the truck leans down. So with the air ride system, it basically brings the truck back to level. This way he doesn't lose stability on the highway and it maintains a safe ride. But besides that, Corey came to us and now he can go on the job site, he can fuel his machines, he has light in the front, light in the back rack for safety. Boston's Best made it happen. Yo, Corey, Renzo, Eastside, how are you, bro?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, bro. I got good news. Your baby is ready. Dude, your truck came out amazing. Every nook and cranny of it.
I'm so happy, bro. I can't wait to see it tomorrow and stuff.
Another happy customer. That's amazing. That's what we live for, literally. All right, so we got Craig's Jeep. It's all done. We're waiting for him to come pick it up. You guys probably saw it in the last episode. We had it in 1,000,000 pieces. Right now it's complete. It's wrapped military green. We ended up doing the 2.5-inch lift kit on it. We did 20x12 fuel wheels with the fuel tires. This thing, rain, sleet, snow, hail, it's going right on through. So when you get in this truck, you turn the key, no matter the conditions outside, you know you're getting your destination. Can't deny that.
So today we got another Jeep. We actually have 3 in the shop right now. This one, not getting wrapped. We're doing a Tab Force front bumper. It's gonna make the front end look crazy wrapped. He's also doing like a lift, wheel. So basically this bumper, we have the factory bumper, factory grille. It gets rid of all that.
All right, so we got this Nissan Nismo 2010. Customer wants to put a multimedia, so we're gonna rock with the Alpine F309 Halo screen. We're actually gonna put backup camera, steering wheel controls. We're even gonna put a PlayStation 4 for the customer upon his request. So take the before and after. So we're crazy with this.
All right, so we got Sean's Jeep. We're calling this the 781 Bistro build. What is 781 Bistro? It is a restaurant in our hometown here in Waltham, Massachusetts, right here on Moody Street. He does a great job at food, drink, and a good time. Anyway, so he brought us this Jeep, uses it for the weekends, little toy, but he wants it to be different than anybody else's. We're doing the satin black wrap, the Alpine restyle radio, we got the JL audio speakers, exhaust, trailer hitch, lift kit, wheels, tires. I mean, you name it, stay tuned. This Jeep's about to be crazy.